Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about x equal to u square, because I want to cancel about the square root. That's why I choose about this one. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have to use du. So this one I will put in here and here. The x we change by this one. So we have u and u. Number 2 I will put in here, and u multiplied by u and number 1. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about t equals to u minus 1. Because we have u, so I will put negative number 1 go to the left. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides. This one, that is about the constant. So you got about 0 in here. This one we have number 1. This one we have number 1. That wise we have dt equals to du. This one we change by t. This one we have t plus 1 and t plus 1. Du we change by dt. Now we need to expand this one. So 2t plus t, we have 3t. 1 plus 1 is about number 2. Next, t square divided by t divided by t, number 2 divided by t. So we have t plus 3 plus 2 over t. And now we have the final answer. The integration of t, we have t squared over 2. The integration of number 3, we have 3t. And the last one, that is about 2 ln of the absolute value of t. And I will put about c. About t, that is about this one. About u, that is about this one. So I will put the square root for the both sides, and we have u equals to the square root of x. So I will put this one to change for u. This is the end. Thank you for watching.